Oh, hi, hey, I'm out in South Jordan showing homes today, and we're going to look at this guy. It's a brand new subdivision. It's almost fully built out, so you don't want to miss out on it. This floor plan is called the Princeton. Let's take a look. So it has a nice 3-car garage with an oversized garage door, one oversized garage door, nice little porch, and look at that tall door. When you go in, you have this nice long hallway, tall ceilings, and right as you walk in, you have an office suite or den. So this is new construction. It's going to be pretty echoey, so I'm sorry about that. But here on the main floor, you got a nice little half bath with a linen closet, it looks like. Oh. Adult height vanity. There's your stairs to go to the main level. And when you come in, you have this giant open kitchen. Double ovens. Oversized island with a sink in it. Obviously your dining area. And your great room. Tons and tons of room. Great lights, or great windows for great lighting. A lot of bright light. As you come this way, you have your garage door and your coat organizer. And then I think the real nice thing about this house is your primary suite's on the main level, right? You've got coffered ceilings, and they're double vanities. That's nice. And then you have a separate tub and shower. Nice tile. You have this closet. It's a little bit deceiving because you walk in and then you go around the corner. You've got plenty of storage. Then your water closet, obviously over here to the side. Not sure what's going on here. That is your neighbor's house. That's one thing about these homes. And while we're on the main floor, let's go take a look at the backyard, which is finished. You've got this large, oversized sliding glass door. It is nice that the backyard is finished. However, also with the backyard being finished, you don't have a fence. So you and your neighbors get to hang out all day long with that. Kind of a little patio, but not really much landscaping, just grass. So let's go upstairs and see what there's your entry again. Beautiful. But we're gonna go upstairs. And you have this large landing area. And then you have a great view looking downstairs at that entry. Big, nice landing area. On this level, you actually have 3 bedrooms, or if you want to call it 4 bedrooms, you can, or 3 bedrooms with a bonus room. Nice, oversized closet. The bathroom, little bathroom, high, dual vanities, which is nice. And then you've got the separate water closet, tub, shower combo. So while someone's showering, someone can use the sinks. Super nice. And then you've got this nice open area below so you can be part of the magic. Little hallway. And then you have a nook area that has a desk, it looks like. And then here is the bonus room, or if you wanted to make it a bedroom, you could do a lot with this. A bonus room, a game room, TV room, playroom. And then you have the laundry, which is a nice big laundry with plenty of cabinets. And you have plenty of space to add shelving if you wanted to, or add a hanger, a clothes hanger to help you with your clothes. Then we have our second bathroom up here, just a little single bath. Single bath, tub shower combo. And what I mean by single bath is single vanity, and just one person private use, right? Then you have your other bedroom up here. And this bedroom, I like this one because it has a nice walk-in closet for your high schoolers. It's a large room, lots of space in here. And then if we go back down the hallway again, feel like, and at the top of that landing again, you've also got the third bedroom on the top floor. It doesn't have a walk-in closet, but it's got nice large closet doors, so you could put a lot in there. Let's go downstairs. The thing that I don't like, actually, I love those windows, but I'm not a fan of looking right in my neighbor's backyard. So look at those sunflowers. See everything everyone's doing. But let's go downstairs. Just play some music here. So we're gonna go downstairs. Sorry, it's a bit dark. Same stair floor plan. Unfinished basement, obviously, but lots and lots of space. I'd like to point out that there are two separate mechanical rooms. There is a unit upstairs on the very top floor, and then this is the main floor and the basement floor. So you've got two separate climate controls. A large, oversized storage area. And then you have under the porch, this is where a lot of people like to put their food storage, safekeeping. You've got a metal ceiling. It's all cement. Makes it super safe for your documents that you need to protect, and guns, a big gun room. So this is plumbed for a bathroom, as you can see. This is made for either a large family room, with also, you can add another bedroom to it if you want. And then over here, it's plumbed for, yet again, another bathroom. So at the end of the day, this house could end up being 5 bathrooms, 5.5 bathrooms. That seems like a lot, but we do what we want to do, right? So anyway, thanks for joining me. If you have any questions or want to know more about this home, I'm actually going to walk through another one and compare it to, it's actually lived in, and it's got a lot more features to it. Just like to get to know your thoughts on what the home looks like and what you think the value is worth.